Actually, we were talking about Lord Chaitanya's sannyas. And there was just one thing that comes to mind is when Lord Chaitanya finally decided to leave Navadvip, he couldn't tell his mother, he couldn't tell his wife. They would never agree to let him do tapasya, to do penance. He's the Lord. He's their loved one. So he decided, and one night he just left and headed towards Katwa, which is about 40 miles north of Mayapur, to the ashram of Keshav Bharati, his sannyas guru. So when he went, after a little while, Sachimata realized something is wrong in the house. She got up, looked, where's my Nimai? Where's Nimai? Nimai! 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 She realized he is gone, just like his elder brother. He has gone and taken sannyas. She went out looking everywhere. So she started wandering through the fields. Wandering, she went out into the fields. She went to the 3 villages later, and she was asking everyone, where is my Nimai? Where is my Nimai? Where is my Nimai? When the people wouldn't answer her, she said, you are all nirdhaya. You have no mercy, no compassion. You won't tell me where my Nimai has gone. So this year, during the big flood, that village of Nidoya, that village where Sachimata went for 500 years, has been known by the name of Nidoya, from her statement. It was flooded, and we went there and distributed prasadam. And everyone, Hindu, Muslim, Brahmin, Sudra, everyone, they came and took prasad. They're very appreciative. So I was just thinking how that place was there and how the name of Nidoya is still known because they didn't have mercy on Sachimata. That Lord Chaitanya, to preach Krishna consciousness, he left his birthplace to travel all over India and train up his followers how to preach this Sankirtan, which is the life and soul. So sometimes it is necessary to cause some people some inconvenience of separation, namely family, friends, and take the greater mission in hand. Of course, Lord Chaitanya is Krishna himself. He has done this, what to speak of us. Sometimes we may have to make great sacrifices, no matter what position we may be in. When we see that through that sacrifice I can actually increase my service to spread the Sankirtan movement. So of course, actually it's already very late. There were a few more things that happened. But we can leave it for some other day. I just pray that Srila Rameshwar Swami will have his mercy upon me to feel the anxiety of spreading Krishna consciousness